Good day, gang. Mustafa here. Hope all is well. It is almost the end of the day here on Valentine's Day, and just wanted to send out a quick reminder that the super early bird pricing for the quarterly planning workshop coming up on Friday, March 20th is going to end tonight. Basically, yeah, by the end of the day today, you get 50% off. So, just a quick reminder: once you're done being all lovey-dovey and touchy-feely and cozy and comfy, and once you're done loving your significant other, and once you're done being loved, do make sure to visit persaya.com/90days and enter code SUPEREARLYBIRD to get 50% off and sign up for the workshop. This is a workshop where we work on building the strategy for the next 90 days and for 2020. This is going to be the plan and the foundation for the second quarter of 2020. So we basically spend the day to figure out what we're going to do, what is our strategy, and what our projects are going to be for the next 90 days. If you have any questions, comment below. Please make sure to like the video and share it with someone, a business owner that could benefit from the workshop. Happy Valentine's Day. Hope you enjoyed the day and have a great long weekend, the family weekend. Alrighty, see you later and have a good one. Bye now.